Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Slow Beauty, Skincare and Self-Care for Women 40 Plus. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we have a wonderful episode lined up for you. We'll be talking about creating a ritual of rest, which is so essential in our busy lives. Plus, I have a special reflection prompt of the week to help you deepen your self-care practice. And as always, we'll end with a closing blessing to set a peaceful tone for your day. Stay tuned for more self-care tips and skincare advice. Let's get started. Creating a ritual of rest is an extraordinarily powerful way to nurture your well-being. It's a grounding practice that can help you find a moment of peace in a hectic day. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. First, pause. Place your hand gently over your heart and take a deep, slow breath. Just notice any weight you're carrying, whether it's physical, emotional, or mental. This moment of pause is vital as it allows you to become aware of what you're holding on to. Next, reflect. Ask yourself, what do I need to release so I can rest today? Maybe it's the expectations you're weighing down on yourself, the hurry to get things done, those moments when you compare yourself to others, or perhaps feelings of inadequacy. It's important to understand that you don't need to fix these feelings right now, just acknowledge them. Finally, reset. Whisper a simple prayer. God, I release what isn't mine to hold. Steady my heart again. Feel that internal shift, that sense of lightness and peace as if you're coming back home to yourself. This ritual of rest is simple yet profound, offering a repeatable method for finding inner peace and grounding yourself no matter how busy life gets. Try incorporating this practice into your day and notice how it transforms your sense of well-being. Now let's move on to our weekly reflection prompt. This week, I invite you to sit with a simple but powerful question. Where did I feel tense today? And what is that tension trying to tell me? This isn't about rushing to find an answer. Instead, let the meaning unfold slowly and naturally. Allow yourself the time and space to really explore this question. You can jot down your thoughts in a journal, a commonplace book, or even in your phone's notes app. The key here is to not hurry and let your subconscious mind reveal the message hidden in your tension. Reflecting on this can offer incredible insights into your daily life and what you might need to address to feel more at ease. So, take your time with this prompt and see what comes up for you. As we come to the end of today's episode, I want to take a moment for our closing blessing. This blessing is here to remind you of the importance of rest and the peace it can bring. May you find holy rest, a sacred pause to rejuvenate your spirit. May your mind quiet down and find stillness amidst the chaos. And may your heart reflect a deep and abiding peace that carries you through your days. I am so grateful for each and every one of you for tuning in and sharing your time with me today. If you enjoyed this episode and want more self-care and skincare tips, be sure to check out our newsletter and consider joining our membership. There's a wealth of resources waiting for you to explore. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to connecting with you again soon. This is Carrie Scharf, signing off from Slow Beauty, Skincare and Self-Care for Women 40 Plus. Goodbye and take care.